Hello there. Welcome back. Have you ever felt like your brain was super slow? Even when you try really hard. Making choices feels like a big chore. And working more just makes things worse. That's what we'll talk about today. So glad you're here.
Hi everyone. Today we're diving into how our minds work. It's about how we feel every day and what happens when we feel lots of pressure.
That's right. Our goal is to help you. To spot when your brain is too full. And also to know the difference between a good, needed break and just trying to avoid things.
Feeling tired in your mind can show up in many ways. Maybe you can't focus very well, or you get grumpy easily. Your thoughts and actions might feel slow. You might forget things more often, and making a choice feels super hard.
Yes, that's important to remember. These signs alone don't mean you're sick. Lots of things can cause them, like not enough sleep, feeling very worried, or having too much to do. Sometimes it's even a small health problem.
This is where we often get stuck. When we feel low on energy, our first thought is to work even longer, to push ourselves harder. But that usually doesn't help. It can even make things worse.
You're absolutely right. It's super important to rethink our tasks. Be brave and take off things we don't really need to do. And most of all, take real breaks. Times when we're totally unplugged. No phones or new requests.
Now let's try something fun. To put these ideas into action, we have a little activity for you. You can try it out this week.
For 5 days, each evening, write down your energy levels. Note your sleep quality. Also, how much work you felt you had. And when you truly managed to rest. This is a great first step to become more aware.
At the same time, try to sort your tasks into 3 groups. First, what's absolutely essential for today. Second, things you can plan for later. And third, tasks you could drop or delegate. You might be surprised how many non-essential tasks we keep doing out of habit.
Finally, protect your rest periods just like an important appointment. Block them out in your calendar. Treat them as non-negotiable. It's an investment in your well-being.
We also need to remember that lasting recovery isn't just about individual techniques. It also depends on your overall living conditions. Sometimes, the environment itself needs to change.
That's a crucial point. And be careful, self-observation has its limits. Unusual fatigue that lasts a long time, feels intense, or comes with other symptoms should definitely alert you.
In those cases, it's vital to talk to a doctor. Only they can look for the root causes of your fatigue and guide you to the right solutions. Never hesitate to seek medical advice.
To wrap up this episode, we'd like to leave you with a question. What task do you keep doing out of habit? Even though it's no longer a priority? Or it doesn't bring you anything positive anymore?
Take some time to think about it. In summary, pay attention to your body and mind signals. Dare to reevaluate your priorities. And protect your recovery time. That's the key to avoiding burnout.
Thanks for listening. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe and share it with your friends. We'll be back soon with a new episode.